Okay, I just saw something. I turned down this side street and made a U-ey. Because usually they don't have garbage day. Because we're in St. John's. I think the only thing for me is that high chair. Oh, and maybe that mop thing. Or is that too much shit? No, I think I could take that. And I think it'll fit right back here. Or not. How about right here? Yeah, that's a good spot right there. And I think I found something else. Well, it's metal anyway. What's this? Ooh. Nada. That looks big. Big and chunky toys. I don't want that. Little toy. Oops. Little toys. I don't want those. You think that works? I'm trying to get at one thing. This stool. Alright, that's about it, eh? Oh wait, let's see these jackets. Heck of a coat. That's a little nasty. Same with that thing. I don't want somebody else's junk. Alright. Well, that was fun. So, I just picked up about, let me see, with what the prices are now, I guess I picked up about 40 cents worth of metal. Probably not even that. No, not 40 cents, I'd say about 25, yeah. Ding ding, what the heck? Okay. I'll put this back on if I find anything else. Oh, a nice white couch. Oh well. I'm not in the market for that. Found another little piece. There. Ok. J'avais juste vu ça, mais on va prendre tout ce qu'on est capable. Merci, monsieur. Ah, un autre morceau là. C'est beau, merci. Bonne journée à vous. Merci pareil, là. Bonne journée. Well, that was nice of him. I didn't know there was aluminum in that can. And every little bit counts. I just hope it doesn't fly away in the wind. Hopefully I'll get something tossed on top of it. If not, I'll try to reach in and grab it to put it in the side, in the back of the van here. Oh, what's here? Anything? Or just garbage? Yeah, I think it's garbage. Alright, folks. Anything here? Nope. You know what that means. I'll turn it back on in a few minutes if I find something. Alright, I just spotted something on the next road, so I turned here to go around the block. It might not even be metal, but I think it is. This is such a beautiful area, this wooded place here. I'd love to own a lot like that. Oh, that garage is for sale. Oh, and there's a house in the back of it. Waterfront property, dudes and dudettes. Alright, what's this leaning on that can? It looks like metal. Yep, it's metal. Okay. Oh, and they're cutting branches and trees here. Alright, let me turn that off. I need to get me a screen door like that one. They're beautiful. Nice house. It's getting a bit chilly. Oh, part of the scaffolding. What's in there? Nothing. Oh, I'm pushing the whole thing. Darn that. It's about time they stopped using it. Look at that. I think I'll just slide that right there. Or should I put it on this side? No, I think right there would be good. Try not to break my light or hurt myself in the process. There. Now. I hope that won't fall out. There we go. That's good right there. Huh. Yeah, I just spoke with my ex and they're okay with the pool, so I won't get stuck with it, which is something I was worried about. Because her boyfriend, he's a nice guy, but he's a little bit fussy. You know, things are never good enough for him. Whereas me, it's like, hey, if it works, make it, well, make it work, whatever. That wasn't much, but it took a lot of energy out of me. Anything down this one? Nope. Okay, now we're turning up on here, on the left. You get over there. Another bunch of plants and branches and things. Cedar. So many branches. I guess it's the end of summer cleaning. This is where the guy lives that bought my tin the other day for his stove. That was last Sunday. See, today we're Sunday again. It's my scrap run I do on Sundays. But that might change drastically if the prices stay low or get lower. I might take a little time off and concentrate on fixing up my truck for next, season. Because I don't really do scrapping in the winter, because where I live, it gets so cold, and being out in the country, it's not like when you're in town. The wind, oh my God, what they call the wind chill in the wintertime. Oh, do you ever freeze, because it's open fields everywhere. You don't get much shelter, and the snow drifts are crazy. You hit one going a little too fast and you're right in the ditch. Because we get icy roads with snow drifts on them, and you hit that, you go out of control, and then you're on ice. Try to get back to control, you know? It's almost impossible. Well, fixing up the front, that's nice. Get the whole family involved. That's what I miss about not having my kids living with me. It'd be so much fun to get them involved in so many things. You know, putting flowers in front of the house and stuff like that. But they really don't have any of that. Unfortunately, my ex-wife is just too darn tired because she's the one stuck doing most of all the work. Not many people in the family are helping her. And her boyfriend, he takes on these jobs and he does it on his own. It's like he doesn't want anyone helping. Or at least that's the impression I get. Ah, what's this? Is that something for me? Yeah, I think that's for me. An umbrella. But let me turn around over here. There we go. No one coming? Ooh, okay. Hey, Mr. Umbrella, you're mine. Get in the back of that trailer now. Alright, we'll leave it running. I'm usually a stickler for turning that off, but I don't think stopping for a minute and a half is gonna use up all my gas. Oh, and it's all wood. Oh shit, I don't want that. Okay, forget it. We don't take the wooden ones. So, false alarm, folks. Look at this weird character I picked up. He's got like a scary, what is that, a vulture something on his head? Floppy. That is strange. He almost looks Asian, like a samurai warrior with huge muscles. I don't know, I guess it's one of the popular kids things today. Okay, I see more kids stuff next to that dumpster back there. But that's in a yard that's hard to turn around, so I'm not gonna bother. Yeah, shut up. Oh, some people have no patience. I had plenty of time. He just wanted attention. Damn, I hate those people. Alright, let me get over here before those kids come over. Oh, I turned it off. I shouldn't have. Don't want to get all dirty and full of germs. You don't know what's in here. Oh, nah, nothing for me. Alright, let's get out of here. I'll get in the middle again. Hope nobody freaks out on me. There, we did it. Yeah, I cut my run a little short in the town of Iberville. I crossed the bridge and kind of came straight out this way and grabbed another coffee. Because I didn't go up and down all those avenues. You know, I sometimes find stuff, but lately it's been scarce, you know, end of summer. It's usually spring and early summer that people really do their cleanup jobs, you know, or break a lawnmower. Mind you, it's pretty much all year round that somebody could break a fridge or stove or washer dryer. Oh, what's this? I better investigate. And again, I'll leave it running just in case. And I'm gonna bring the gloves. So, what is this? Empty. I don't want an empty box. Plastic. Nope, nothing for me. Stuff falling down here? Nah, we're okay. Alright. Let's keep going. Well, that's a nice little outdoor fireplace thing. It's giving me an idea. Maybe I should make some of those. You know, like tack weld them and sell them to people, you know, put ads. What's this? Kids yelling? Hey YouTube. This is just a generic ending I decided to do because commenters told me that my videos kind of end abruptly, and she's right. Sometimes it's the battery died, sometimes it's just my crappy editing, you know. So just want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment. Could really use the subscribers. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.